right, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to be able to send out mass emails, mass text messages at one time. You know what I'm saying? I know it's a lot of struggle with being able to have a business, being able to automate that business and set that business up. But today what we're going to do is we're going to dive into how effective automation emails can be able to help you save time and also be able to save you a lot of communication issues that businesses have with their clients. So join me in this video and we're going to get off into it. Peace and blessings. Let's go, y'all. All right, so today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to be able to create email and text message snippets. And so what you could be able to do with these text message and email snippets is you'll be able to utilize them multiple times, where you're just going to create something that can be able to go out to new clients all the time, sending out emails. Anytime they are able to make a contact or connect with you, you could be able to make a snippet that can go out to them. And this is for emails and for text messages. Okay. So I'm going to come over here to inside of our system where you can add a snippet, right? So we're going to do text first. So it's asking for a name. We're going to say hello. And I'm just going to do this for the sake of doing it for you guys. All right. So I'm going to come over here to Chat GTP and I'm going to create a snippet body for a text message. So in this particular case, I'm going to use this for a financial advisor. So what I did was I said, let's create an email to invite people to my free community and how excited I am to introduce them to the courses inside. So chat tells me, absolutely, we're going to create you an email and some text messages. So I'm going to take the snippet that they've given me. So take that. I've also already had my link inside of here for this particular client. So you can be able to add and insert your link inside of here and it'll be able to put your text message together as well the same way. So I copy and paste that and then I come back over here into our system and then I just paste it here. Excuse me. So then I'm going to take out this thing that says first name and I'm going to get rid of that because I'm going to use something that's more powerful inside of here, and that's our custom values. So our custom values, you come here and then we're going to add the first name. For some reason, it goes down here on the text message system. It might not go inside of yours, but I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it right after hey, put a space and put that. And then I'm going to erase it from down here. So now I got my snippet already together. And if you guys want to be able to actually test this out, you could be able to put your phone number inside here and it'll text it to you. And it shows you how much the text actually is, which is, it's not even a penny. It's 3/16 of a penny. So that's how much a text message costs. So you want to be very careful about how you're using your text messages because your text messages shouldn't be longer than your emails because actually your emails are a little bit cheaper than your text messages. So you want to be very mindful of that. So you can also add a file, add a YouTube link or a different kind of link inside of here. If you got a video that you guys are sending out every week, you got something going on, you could be able to say, hey, check out the new podcast on X, Y, and Z. And then people could be able to get these text messages and these snippets every week when you're sending them out. And you just got to change the link out. So that's powerful. So what we're going to do is we're going to press save. And then now we got that inside of our snippets. And then next thing we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing with an email. So we're going to add an email snippet. We're going to do email community 2. And you know what I mean. So I'm just going to come over here, back over to chat. And I'm going to copy the email that they give me. So it gave me a subject line. I'm going to take that subject line. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to bring it back over into our system. That's it. Then I'm going to come back over here to copy the email. And copy. And then I'm going to paste it right here. And so now everything's laid out. So We're going to erase again. We're going to erase first name. And we're going to come back over here to custom values. And we're going to put first name. And now it says contact name. So it'll be like, hey, blah, blah, blah. I'm so excited, to go into here. And so you can see how the text messages looks inside of here. And also, same way, if you want to test it out, you could be able to test it and move it around and see what it is that, just being able to see it from your point of view to see how this actual workflow works out. I'm going to save it. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to contacts now. So this is where now this stuff becomes more powerful for you to be able to use. So let's go on over to contacts. We're over here in contacts. We're going to select all. And as you can see, you have 338 contacts. So here's the power inside of this that changes the ball game. So what we'll do is we'll come over here to text message, send SMS, and then we'll press OK. We'll put in the phone number that you have in the drop down. You'll drop this down, it'll give you a phone number. And then you're going to come to SMS templates. So then now you're going to find that template that you got, and look at that, it's already done for you. So the next step to be able to send this thing out. You can sending them all at once would actually stop them from going across. So you don't want to send 338 of them at one time. What you want to do is you can schedule this out, or you could do a drip mode. And that's what I recommend you doing, a drip mode. But you can schedule it out one at a time. You can schedule it out however you want to. If you want to start it on a certain date, and then if you want to end it on another day or whatever time it is that you want to put this in here, and you could do that. You name an action, whatever this is, it doesn't matter what you name it. But then you come over here to drip campaign, do the same thing, name an action, put what day you wanted to start off. So usually what I'll do is I'll tell somebody to do like 50, especially if you're doing like 500, 1,000, however many it is you're doing. Maybe send out 50 at a time. And then what you could do is you could repeat this every 2 hours, every 1 hour. You could do this over days. You could do this over seconds. You don't want to send them all out at the same time. You want to be able to actually, because it'll look like spam, and you don't want this to get spammed out and then it doesn't go through for you. So you can go over days, you can go over hours. So you can go over 2 hours, and then you can pick out the days that you actually want this to go out. So if you wanted to go out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, good to go. And then you'll come over here into what times you want from whatever time, and then you end it at another time. So this is a powerful tool. I'm not going to send this because this is just a test for you guys to be able to see exactly what it is that we're doing. But to understand that you can now have the power to be able to change how you're marketing towards people. And it doesn't have to be so hard anymore that you're having to be able to do all these different things and use all these different systems. You have this all in one system. So I hope this helped you out today as far as being able to send out text messages, snippets, and emails as well. And so what you could do is be able to create a different automation from this too. And I'm going to create a video that'll show you how to automate these actual emails, and automate these templates as well. So, man, I hope you guys have a great day, and I hope that this was able to actually help you on your journey. If you're interested in being able to learn way more about this system, you can join our free system. You can also get into our affiliate program to be able to get you a system. Also, see our prices so you can be able to join us, and we help you walk through. Also, we have our 4-week business class where we teach you as an entrepreneur and as a business how to be able to utilize these systems and utilize these things for yourself to be able to be the best business owner that you possibly can be in helping you put your business on automation. So I hope this helped you, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace and blessings, y'all.